everyone, welcome to the Trig Effects channel. So, in this video we will learn about the trick of square roots. So, square roots is divided into two parts, perfect square root and non-perfect square root. So, let's see some examples of perfect and non-perfect square roots. So, example of perfect square root are 576, 9801, 3025 and 2704. And some examples of non-perfect square roots are 648, 8603, 9654. So, in the part 1 of this video, we will learn about the perfect square roots. So, let's understand the concept of perfect square roots. Now, we know that unit digit of this digit is 6. So, now, unit digit of the answer can be 4 or 6 because 4's square is 16, whose last digit is 6, and 6 square is 36, whose last digit is 6. So now we will eliminate the last two digits of this digit. Then we will tell the perfect square near this. So perfect square near this will be 4, which is the square root of 2. So, now the answer can be 24 or 26. So, now we will find the mid number of between these two digits, which is 25. Now we will find the square root of 25, which is 625. If this digit is smaller than this one, then we will choose the smaller one, and if this digit is bigger than this one, then we will choose the bigger digit. So now in this case, that digit is smaller than this digit, so the answer will be 24. So now let's solve more perfect square roots example. Like in this 9801, the unit digit is 1. So now we can identify the unit digit of the answer, which is 1 or 9. So now we will eliminate the last two digits and find the perfect square near this number, which is 81, which is the square root of 9. So now the answer can be 91 or 99. So mid number between these two digits is 95 and its square is 9025. Now this number is bigger than this one, so the answer will be 99. Now let's take one more example, which is 3025. Now it is clear that the unit digit of the answer will be only 5. So now we will eliminate the last two digits and we will look for the perfect square near 30, which is 25, which is the square root of 5. So the answer will be 55. Now let's understand perfect square root with a more complex example. So now first we will look at the unit digit of the number. So the unit digit is 4. So we can identify the unit digit of the answer. So the unit digit of the answer can be 2 or 8. So we will eliminate the last two digits of the number and find the perfect square near 1142, which is 1089, which is the square root of 33. So now the answer can be 332 or 338. Now we will find the mid digit between these two numbers. So the mid number between these two numbers will be 335. Then we will find the square root of this number, which will be 112225. Then we will see that is this number bigger than this or this number smaller than this. So in this case, this number is bigger than this. So the answer will be 338. So let's see how much you have learned and solve this question and answer in the comment box. And comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.